then she keep on you see why me have to say it? Because she keep on say, at least I didn't breed for a married man. It's like you throwing shit, but bitch, you pussy as fuck, because if you really throwing shit, you put a name on it. Like, look how far you live. You live far from me. You can't do nothing but just argue over this fucking phone.
At least never
like, the fuck, bitch? Yo! You better not let me get that low. You better not let me get that low.
Cause I'm coming for bitches. If you talking about me, I'm coming for you. Just know that.
She was just doing good, but you had to hop on. You had to hop on. All right.
I'm not from Brooklyn. I'm from Florida. I'm a Virgo.
It's like she's so mad. The bitch with not the bitch. That's how I'm not calling her a bitch, but that's just how I talk. She's just so mad. The lady still with her husband. She's so mad at her. Bitch, go get a life. She said she at work. This is the first longest break I ever seen.
When is this going to stop? I don't know.
This break been on for 3 hours straight, bro.
This we don't.
But in all honesty, I wasn't talking about her because I didn't even remember nothing about she. But she come and feel like because she did pregnant for the guy, she feel like she me at
put a name on it. I'ma put.
That's why I said put a name on it.
That's why you need to.
That's exactly why I said put a name on it.
She probably feel like me and show shades off her. I'm not showing the shades off her. But she probably feel offended because if you're seeing this, I'm not talking about you, sweetie. I'm not talking about you.
Oh, okay. Oh, no, we're not friends. We're not friends.
You know, I'm tired of people feeling like I'm not human.
You took it up on the side.
I understand how people feel like them if they get up every day and living at the same world.
I'm dead. Yeah, I see. But I feel like you at work.
She made no sense.
You at work still talking about this man and his wife. And you could ignore certain comments.
You chose to answer.
You chose to answer and to respond to them. When you can ignore it.
Exactly. Just like how when they tell you your teeth fucked up and you ignore it just
when
like
they say that wig is trash, go buy a new wig.
Ignore it.
Ignore it.
When they say you're selling cheap wigs, ignore it.
Even go get a moderator.
When
and make the moderator take down the comments.
She don't even do that. She don't even do that. And then when they say where your bed, ignore it. When they ask you where you stay at, ignore it. She ignored those, but she can't ignore certain stuff.
Because you're still stuck on this man and his wife.
I never breathe for nobody married man. Never. I never breed.
I don't know. I just feel like
she always talking about the people that.
I just feel like you obsessed. Like at this point, you are obsessed. You just doing it just to do it. I don't know.
I don't. The thing is, me no business what she said. She a talk about Cassandra. She a try share, but she a pussy.
She's a pussy because she know I will come for her. She know if she come for me, I'm coming for you 10 times.
Exactly.
Harder.
She's giving that shit back because she never have no belly. And then remember tell her the first shot she's true against her when somebody they send me the live. She was saying, what she said? Oh, me never, cause Cassandra meet the boy in a party. Hear her now? Is me never, first thing she said, me never meet the boy in a party. I never me run back at the man. Nobody no run back at no man. Hear about the man coming on my inbox and I run me down and I stalk me. Bitch, shut the fuck up. Whenever we saying at the story, say, the man see we spot we and come over come buy we drinks. Nobody know. I never didn't know who the man be.
And like I said in my story, I didn't know who he was until her auntie told me who this man was.
I see him as a regular man and look a girl in a party when we did meet him. When she talk about Cassandra run her down. I'm commenting on the live if you did see, if you did over there, I'm comment because I couldn't make that slide. I said, what you mean? Who the fuck did I run down the man?
When he first came to me, I was like, who is this big cocky man? Like, who is this? Like, I don't even really like him. When he first, like, I don't know who he was. So how can you tell me I was chasing the nigga and I don't even know who he was? This nigga know you because you were homeless and he see you on the side of the street. and probably want some head. That's what it was given. And that's what he even told me. Niggas lie, but come on now. When I even asked you, you even told me what it was. Let's be for real. Let's be serious. And don't say I'm obsessed because I did not speak on this situation for a long time. Until she come up on my name. So don't ever tell me I'm obsessed about the situation because I don't give a damn. I don't care. I don't. What the hell I'm still stuck in the situation
Exactly.
for?
She's saying it's not Cass, but the things what she has said is like, it is about Cass. It's like, me don't know as it, so it's like she's sneaky as fuck. And we have to make her know, say, yo,
it's obvious you throwing it at me.
We there still as it, we there. Like,
it's obvious.
Even though, like, come on now.
It's obvious.
That is all karma word.
And then she wish bad pan people. Stop wish bad pan people. But oh, that's why. Shut, bitch. Come on now, be fucking for real.
Oh, whatever she getting, whatever, like, you know, Chrissy not getting no type of negativity. Whatever she's getting, she deserve it.
So exactly. So
who are you talking about?
It mix up, and I feel like
you wanna talk about me, but you like, you know, I'ma come for you.
Next time, when I just whoever the pan is alive, I say I never shit about Cassandra. Next time, tell her to put her name on it, cause this is a go on again. And she mentioned something on Cassandra.
You mentioned something that's similar about me. Basically, my situation. Put a name on it.
Nobody was.
Put a name on it.
Just in one of the end of our life, tell us to put a name on it, else Cassandra go come back again. Simple, done it so. And that me I said, exactly.
Cassandra she is.
Exactly, the only way somebody will just say go look for her, cause other than that nobody not give a fuck who she is and what she do. She don't even let me tap in eyes. Let me tap in eyes. Cause not go eat me.
You talking about other people. Worry about your life. What are you doing with your life? Worry about that.
You're on break. You're there working on break.
You on break and you talking about this. Girl, aren't you tired? Go lay down, go sleep.
What the boss will call her for come back to work. Come back in now. It's been 3 hours.
It's been 3 hours. How long is break for? I thought break was for 30 minutes.
I need this job. This bitch got 3 hours.
I thought break.
She need to put me on. I don't know what put on to. I wish job good. Get 3 hour break. She said she at work right now. She said that's why she have on the wig.
You understand?
I need her job. You don't want a job? Cause me want a job. Then 3 hour
want
break.
that job. I definitely want that job. Cause my job, they don't even give me break.
They sent the live. They sent the live to me. She just came from work.
15-minute break. My bad.
She just came from work.
You have to praise God. You have to
She just came from work. And me there, so I watch her chat. She mentioned about Cassandra in the beginning, and that's why I never come out for the live. Cause I know that she doesn't get to this point. As I just explained about the party thing.
I don't talk about you. I never mention you. When I come on live, I do my little thing. I dance, I laugh, I kiki kaka. I never come for you. So please do not come for me, because if you come for me, it's gonna be deadly. You're gonna wish you never come for me.